You're nice. Happy feeling, happy thoughts. Huh? Yeah, I know, I know. Yeah. My favorite. Which is which? Oh, wallets, cute bags. Oh my god. And the shoes. This is it. And that boy is a very, very makulit to get. Can you sit down, makulit? Can you sit, makulit? Oh my gosh. Give it to me. Give it to me.
But I can't see what.
You can't see what?
I can't see you.
Because daddy's giving me yay for Mother's Day present for my husband. Yes. Perfumes. They have a perfumes. They have a bags over there which I don't know. And okay guys, ipapakita ko sa iyo. I am very happy to show this to you guys. And this is actually this is not my first bag, but I just want to share to you guys kasi from my last video, I've give you ano tawag nito, tips how to have and to own a luxury items, guys. So for this one, as you knew that I own this by, of course, saving some of the money first prior to buy, and of course with the help of my husband too. Of course we can like, you know, again to just to recap that I had a piggy bank na pinupuno namin siya, guys, to have you know, to have some money that we can buy na hindi namin siya na-feel na mabutasan yung bulsa namin, and of course our income, our savings, guys. So I want to show you, in case sa mga hindi nakapanood ng part 1 na to prior buying this item, guys, I have this piggy bank which is I save a amount every month from the extra money that we have, and then pinupuno ko siya, guys. And in fact I've put this Lux how do you call that, I mark it as my LV bag, or actually I wanted to buy LV but I have it already. So nagustuhan ko yung bagong is actually not a bagong release ng Gucci bag. This is old release, but I really like to have this kasi convenient siya, guys, and it's very spacious. Hindi siya masyadong malaki but it's very small. So why I want to recap again to you guys is that para maintindihan nyo na, to those that haven't watched the previous video, guys, was posted days ago, na I've have this piggy bank. Actually, years back before the pandemic came, I also have another piggy bank. Matagal ko na siyang ginagawa, guys, kasi para hindi din siya mahirap magastos, maglusta ng pera when you save it save an extra money for that. So last time, previously na wala pa yung pandemic, I've also had a piggy bank which is for traveling, and wherever we travel, when we travel, guys, I open one piggy bank para hindi masyadong malaki yung gastos. Yeah, so now because we don't travel, why not having a how do you call this, piggy bank for your luxury items, guys, since luxury items is never cheap. So now let's start opening my unboxing this box. Okay, so this box is actually one of my favorite bag for traveling. As I've mentioned na mahilig kami mag-travel before. So I unbox and this is it. Yes, I have this Gucci bag, which is, I think, sa mga collectors dyan, they have these bags. And for me, I like this because it's spacious, and this bag is also for traveling. As a mother also, guys, I need to carry so many things. Yeah, so I've choose this bag. Okay, and mm, smells new. Yes, and this is it. Yes, and you know, this is the one that I bought, guys, from my ano. Maganda siya kasi yung ano, very spacious siya, guys. Yeah, ganito lang siya. And yeah, ganito lang siya. And actually, the sling can be adjusted. Pwede siyang maging sling bag. And I can also carry this as the body bag. So, maging ganito na siya, guys. Oopsie! Ganyan siya. Okay. Ganyan siya. Oh, no. Ganyan. Okay. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Yeah, so I'm just so happy. Pag naka-dress ka, makikarry mo siya ng ganyan. Yeah. Okay. And I want to show how cost effective this bag, guys. Kasi sa mga travelers dyan or sa mga mother dyan, you need to bring all stuff for your kids, guys. So you carry for them. Wow, the smells of the leather is so nice. Yeah, why I like this bag? Because yeah, it's already some of the shops, they don't carry this one, which I don't like those, like, you know, when you carry items, everybody is having this. I don't like, they're all using. I don't like ganyan ako ka na ayokong nakikita maraming tao na nagki-carry na items. As much as possible, I want vintage, or I also have the one that is latest, but of course hindi masyadong marami kasi last time yung mga items ko I've sold it away na. So, yeah. So, now I'm starting to collect again, guys. Pakunti-kunti lang muna until we can achieve to the one that you wanted. So, most especially kasi this bag, kailangan natin ng mga stoppers. So, hindi ko siya tinapon para to make the bags still in shape. Ganyan. So, ganyan siya, guys. Ang bango-bango niya, guys. Look at inside. It's so spacious. So, for travelers, this is a very good bag for you. Yeah, I'm not endorsing this thing, guys. I'm sorry ko naman kung nag-i-endorse ako ng ganito. Wow na wow. Yeah. So, yeah. So, ano lang kasi, guys, for the travelers like me, mahilig akong magta-travel kami before. Hopefully maka-travel back kasi ang tagal na namin hindi nakauwi ng Pinas, and my daughter is 2 years old na, guys. She was born here in Singapore, and then yeah. So I also have this bag, wallet you can put inside. I will show you how much I can put inside this bag. Okay, so my wallet is not so big, pwede siya dyan. And when we travel, kailangan ko ng isang pouch ng mga isang pouch na ganito. Lahat namin dito is all my passports. Nandito lahat ng passports. Kasi we have to put all the passports that we, those when especially we never travel so long na, we need the old passport. Kakaryan nyo lang kasi namin, guys. So I still keeping those that is old. Kasi I think in the airport they still look for the old passport. Also, I still keep a lot here. We have 8 here because 4 of us in the family. I have 2 kids. Yeah. So, of course, nandito siya. Ilalagay mo lang dito. Kaya kailangan ko ng spacious na bag, which is also very good for me. It's not very big, but it's very spacious kasi na-i-expand siya, guys. So, kailangan ko siyang ilagay. So, pangalawang pouch na yan. At saka, look at this. Mayroon pa rin siyang space. Kailangan ko pa siya ng nandiyan na yung wallet ko at saka of course yung mga jewelries ko guys na kailanganin pag nag-travel or pag hindi nag-travel, of course I don't bring that. Yeah. And you know, look at that, how spacious it is. Yeah. And of course, ang ganda talaga ng shape niya guys. Talagang look at that. This is how it is. At saka pwede ka pang, kasi I still have another bag. So, ito na yung essentials to travel. Of course, I will put some alcohol inside, or I will not put, actually my pen is inside this red pouch kasi if you put the pen in your bag, tip yan guys, hindi naman tayo masyadong maraming items na mga ganito. We don't want to make our bag and glam with the pen marks. Ang hirap kayang magkaano ng meron kang pen mark guys. So yeah, so just put all these things and then voila, you are ready to go na. Yeah, so that's all. And this bag is very very nice for me guys. It's very useful, and yeah, I've enjoying this size para siya sa ano. And one tip guys, you remember, pag meron ka pang mga nakikip mo pa siya, don't just throw away because this can help you when you're done using your bag. You can stack them back again para hindi siya out of shape. You have this one, the shaper, para hindi siya magsasag yung bag mo. And you know, remember this guys, all the luxury bags, right? Pwede mo siyang ma-resell in the future pag hindi mo na siya kailangan, or you can hand down this to your kids guys. Okay, so and that's it for this video guys, and thank you for watching, and I hope you can also own your luxury items, your luxury bag that you want to have. But of course, if you have money, you have extra money, why not to buy? But again, another tip guys, if you want to have a Lux bag na hindi siya masyadong mahirap bilhin, mabigat bilhin, just follow me and just use your one big piggy bank. Yeah. And that's all for tonight, and that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching, and please, to those haven't subscribed to my channel, just subscribe please, and click the notification button para sa next video guys. And that's all, and thank you beautiful people. Keep safe and always thank your family, give love all the time, and of course remember to pray. And that's all. Good night beautiful people.